Welcome back to 50 Car. The world of automobiles has reached a new milestone with the unveiling of the Dodge Durango Z 2025 concept. A marvel of power, design, and advanced technology, this vehicle dazzles like a jewel on the road. Exterior design, step by step to pure beauty. Bold, muscular lines stretch across the front and hood, showcasing the power within. Slim, aggressive LED headlights add an enigmatic allure. Electrically folding side mirrors with heating features enhance convenience. The 22-inch aluminum wheels provide a sporty and commanding presence. Pros: stunning appearance, advanced mirrors. Cons: wheels may be challenging on uneven terrain. Interior and dashboard design, a paradise for drivers. The cabin is wrapped in luxurious materials and cutting-edge technologies. A 15-inch digital dashboard offering access to smart systems transforms every journey into an advanced experience. Heated seats and spacious interiors cater perfectly to families. Pros: modern, spacious cabin. Cons: requires initial familiarity with interior technologies. Performance: a heartbeat of thrill. Powered by a 6.2-liter V8 engine producing 710 horsepower, the Durango Z rockets from 0 to 100 kilometers h in just 4.4 seconds. The adaptive suspension system ensures comfort and stability at high speeds. Pros: incredible acceleration, dynamic driving experience. Cons: high fuel consumption. Conclusion: the Dodge Durango Z 2025 is the ideal choice for lovers of power and comfort. With its flawless design, thrilling performance, and advanced technology, it stands unrivaled for the next generation of drivers.